Today, we're diving into something so Italian, it practically smells like espresso and old leather. Meet the 1955 Alfa Romeo T10 Autotutto Camper, a vintage masterpiece that somehow fuses diesel rattles with the romantic charm of a Sicilian summer road trip. And yes, I know what you're thinking. Alfa Romeo made campers? Buddy, they made everything, including decisions that were about as reliable as my neighbor's commitment to keto. Before we go any further, smash that subscribe button, or I'll make you ride shotgun on a 47-mile-per-hour Autobahn joyride with no air conditioning and an accordion player named Luigi. Go on, I'll wait. Here's the deal. This high-roof beauty rolled out of Alfa's imagination in 1955. First registered in Palermo, Sicily. Before migrating up to Modena in '63, probably chasing better wine and fewer hills. In 2024, a licensed dealership hauled it up to Germany, gave it the restoration treatment, and turned it into the classiest olive green snail on wheels. Under the hood, a 1,158cc two-stroke inline twin diesel engine with a Root supercharger and Spica mechanical fuel injection. Translation? It makes about 31 horsepower, less than a ride-on lawnmower, but way more stylish. Top speed? A breathless 47 miles per hour, 75 kilometers per hour. But hey, you don't buy a 55 Autotutto to race. You buy it to flex at the campground while your friend's Sprinter cries quietly in the corner. Shifting happens via a 4-speed manual transaxle, engaged with the kind of stick you could also use to stir pasta. Now, let's talk exterior. This tricolor stallion wears olive green and cream, with 16-inch steel wheels that proudly flaunt Alfa Romeo hubcaps. Tires are Michelin 150 series, because even vintage campers need good shoes. There's a roof rack with a full-size spare and a removable ladder, presumably so you can access your existential crisis in the rooftop picnic zone. The living quarters are surprisingly cozy. We've got green upholstered bench seating that folds into a bed, romantic if you're under 5 feet 10 inches. A gas cooktop, metal sink, fresh and gray water tanks, and even a foot pedal faucet. It's like glamping with a vintage espresso machine's soul. Wooden storage cabinets and a picnic basket with cutlery are included. I mean, what kind of savage doesn't bring matching forks? The dashboard features a Smith's 110 km/h speedometer, ambitious and inset fuel gauge, and rubber floor mats that smell like 1950s decisions. The odometer shows around 40,000 kilometers, equivalent to 25,000 miles, which is probably how far you'll walk while waiting for it to climb hills. Brakes? 4-wheel drums. Suspension? Independent with rear transverse torsion bars. Handling? Like dancing with a tipsy waiter. Elegant, unpredictable, and occasionally sideways. Now, about the price. This little diesel romance was sold in February 2025 for €80,500, roughly $86,500. That's a lot for a van that tops out at 47 miles per hour. But honestly, I've dated people with less going for them. And this one at least has curtains. See you on the road. And try not to stall it on the way out.